tired person on the internet? I am Salome Fernandez. I'm not a travel enthusiast, not an influencer.
What?
Nobody really. I'm just a 23-year-old Goan who's always tired, almost always broke, always looking for a Sunday, and I enjoy my own company. Which is why a perfect break for me is a one-day break. So if you're anything like me, then come along. Let's have a break together. The location for today is Benaulim Beach. Okay, don't judge me. I know you've been here 1,000 times, but I also know that you only come here in the evenings for the sunset picture and at night for the vibes. Now, yes, Goa is loud, Goa is vibrant, Goa is colorful, and I love it for that. But I also love, and sadly not many people talk about it, the quiet side of Goa. The Goa that doesn't demand anything from you. The Goa that just lets you be and appreciates the silence in return. Now, the best representation of this quiet Goa is Benaulim Beach in the morning, which is why I love coming here at this hour. You will see a microcosm of Goa on this beach itself. You see that boat there? This is your traditional Rapon. And Benaulim is known for it as a fishing beach. So if not anything, you can at least get a feel. One of these reasons appeal to you, then I recommend you come to Benaulim Beach for a refreshing dip. It is something many tourists find themselves doing, and it can be the perfect break for you. Now, if you really want this day to feel like a break, I recommend you take your phone and throw it aside. Before we go ahead with the rest of the day, please remember to like, share and subscribe to Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa. See, this is the best thing about taking a walk in Benaulim. You always get to see something new. Take for example this. This is dried fish, hare. It is an integral part of our Goan cuisine. And if you take a random walk across Benaulim, you get to see this traditional art of drying fish. Well, wasn't that lovely? A day in Benaulim from dawn to dusk is perhaps the best gift you can give yourself on a budget. For more content like this, like, share and subscribe to Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.